Good morning. It's February 1st. Of course, I hope you woke up early. I hope you started commanding your day because we've talked about this for so many weeks about how important it is to command your day. It's February 1st, the beginning of a new month. I want you to have the same excitement and passion that you had December 31st for your goals for the new year. So this month, this day, we're going to focus on realigning those goals. Do we still want to achieve those goals? If so, let's focus on how far we are from obtaining those goals and where we need to be. I want you to have that same passion, that same drive, that same confidence that you had January 1st when you decided, yes, it's a new year and I get to experience a new thing and it's new me, new year, new me. The same thing for every month. We're going to say new month, new me, because we need to have that excitement. We need to keep it going. We need that adrenaline rushing through us so that all of that love and energy will be poured into our goals. Remember, we are going to be talking about this year as if it's a business year, because I truly believe if we treat our professional life the same way that we treat our personal life and keep them in sync, we can obtain a balance with both professional and personal. So this is the second month of the year and of the quarter. So remember, we are going to be talking about our personal goals like we do our professional goals. And we are in the first quarter. And we all know how tough the first quarter could be for a business. So let's remember to keep our goals in line. If it's not something that you want to obtain, scratch it. Stop thinking about it. But find something that you want to do. See how far you are from that goal. And then let's move forward. Let's take the necessary steps and precautions to get that goal accomplished. Remember to be bold, be great, and be beautiful. Bye, guys.